do you know why we're here today?
For a video?
We're going to talk about where babies come from.
Do you know anything about intercourse?
So, today we're going to talk about how babies are made and where they come from.
Would you like to know how babies are made?
Made of water. Humans are made of water.
Yeah,
I knew it.
That's true.
From God.
From God?
I thought it was because of God that sent us down into your stomach to be born.
To be born?
Sperm, egg, collide, Bella.
What do you mean, sperm, egg, collide? Where did you learn that from?
Nick, the
Who's Nick?
my brother.
What did he tell you?
Bad stuff.
What makes me a man and what makes mom a woman?
You have bigger hands in her. There's some kind of hole here, like an igloo.
Oh, okay. So, Miles, you know that me and Mama are girls.
Yes.
Do you know, is there a specific body part that you know of?
The place between the mommy's legs.
Oh, the vagina, right?
The vagina.
You know, it's called the vagina.
Ah!
Yeah. Okay.
How do you pronounce it? Did I say it
It's called vagina.
right? Vagina.
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 Yeah.
Vagina. How do you say it?
How did your Tia Alice have her baby?
She came out of her butt.
Her butt?
Does it come through the bottom? The butt?
It came out of her vagina.
That's weird.
So when two people are in love,
Don't say that again.
Okay, no more love.
Melody, when two adults want to have a child, they have to have
Work
sex.
together. Work together.
work
They
together.
have to work together, yes.
I said no more love.
No more love. All right, we're going to use another word. Mommy and daddy hang out.
The woman has an egg.
Egg.
Yes.
The mom provides egg, and the dad provides the sperm.
Do you know where the sperm comes from? Where does it come out? Do you know where it comes out? The sperm comes out of your penis.
And when he releases that fluid, when they're having sex, when they're making love, that makes a baby. I don't like that.
Okay.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
And when that sperm comes out of dad's penis into mom's body, then sometimes it can make a baby.
I did not know
You
that.
did not know that?
And there's lots of sperms floating around.
How does the penis get to it? The vagina.
We want to talk about it medically? Like mommy's a nurse.
I do
you know,
not
you know what
even know
mommy
what that
does,
means.
right?
And then how does daddy give the sperm to mommy?
They have sex.
What?
I told you Nick told me a lot of stuff.
So mommy and daddy got together and we took off all our clothes and we got inside the blanket so we were really warm. And then mommy and daddy did a special dance and there you were. That's how you were made.
Oh my gosh, this is really, really, really not good if you took off all your clothes off.
See this pocket?
Yep.
Okay. The pocket is the vagina. Okay? And in order to have a child, daddy has to put his penis in the pocket. Do you understand?
So the penis goes into the vagina, goes inside.
Oh. That's really disgusting, you know. Or not. Oh.
Was this uncomfortable?
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
Yeah. You're gonna look at the world a lot different now.